The girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face. You get hey, sexy lady.
Jesus.